Come test drive the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.